Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Do a general reading for uh, for a partner who is not in touch with you. Let's see their thoughts, feelings, intentions, and short-term outcomes. It is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate. So if it doesn't resonate, it's not your story. So let's do this general collective reading for the sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, Scorpio, Venus too. Okay, so their thoughts. Let's see. Ace of Wands, Magician, Nine of Cups. So their thoughts about you is that they have lot of passion for you, but as you can see in this card, there is distance between both of you. So they are thinking how to come near to you, because I think they are physically very attracted to you, but they are not even talking to you regarding this. Next is Magician and Nine of Cups. I think they have, in past, they had manipulated you, and now they are feeling very sorry for it. Yeah, I can see here. See, Five of Pentacles. They feel very left out in cold. You are not even bothered. Can you see this picture? In the background, there are two shadows following each other. So he thinks that you are with someone else enjoying. So right now, I think Nine of Cups is normally wish fulfillment. But with these cards, I think they are thinking that they want to manipulate you, and they want to have a physical relation with you. That's their wish. They're even drinking also. Somewhere they're going out and drinking. Or they show everyone that they're very happy. Can you see his face? Outside world, they show that they are very happy and all. But the fact is that they are not happy at all. They can feel. They just feel lot of pain and sorrow. They don't want to even face anyone. Or rather, they don't want to face you. They don't want you to see that they are unhappy. Anyway, what are their feelings? Their feelings are that, see, Chariot, you might be connecting with a Cancer, Queen of Cups, and the Star, Cancer, Aquarius. Yeah, so they feel lot of emotions for you, but there are some secrets. As I can see, this moon is there. They are wishing for you. They feel that they wish, they make some magics on you on full moon, I guess, so that they can heal this relationship. They want to heal this relationship by coming towards you, but they think that you both are very different people. That is what they think, but they want to come forward and heal this relationship, and they want to offer you their cup. They want to show you how much they love you. Okay, Scorpio, so what are their intentions? Their intention is to give you justice, Ten of Cups and Eight of Swords. They are in their head. They feel very stuck because they want to have a family with you. They want all this love with you, these babies and all. They want a long term committed relationship with you. But I think they have done some injustice in the past. Because of that, they want to balance the scale by giving you this commitment, but they are stuck in their head because, as I can see, they think that they have manipulated a lot to you. That is why they feel very stuck in this case. So their intention is good, but I think they want to balance the scale with you. So, what is the short term outcome? The lady. The lady is Empress in this deck, and Six of Pentacles. Okay, and Four of Pentacles. So I think they are not, they want to come back, but if you contact them or you get in touch with them, they will have physical relation with you. They think you are very abundant person. As you can see, the pregnancy is there, I think. Or for some of you, it may be they are not financially secure, as because they are giving to a lot of people. See, you can see the hands here. So they are not financially stable right now. So if you get in touch with them, they will physically, I mean, like, I don't know how to say this, if you get in touch with them, they are very passionate about you, as we have seen in the first row only. They think they are very physically attracted to you, so you have to take care that you don't get pregnant with this person, because he's not, right now he's not, if you get in touch with him, he will not disclose his financial status or the things going on financially with him. That is the short term outcome. As you can see, he is keeping everything in secret, the lock and key, so he won't tell you what is going on in finances, and he might be giving it to some people finances and he is not having enough, but he want to passionately connect with you, keep you stuck maybe, and because of that, when he gets passionately intimate with you, you might get pregnant, so take care about it. So that was your reading. But he is not happy for sure. Right now, he is in sorrow. He can feel the pain of getting separated from you, and he want to heal the situation. So that was the reading for you, Scorpio. If it resonates, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to comment. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.